Hi friends, so today I'm going to talk to you some conversions or measurements. There are two ways that we can do this, the metric system and the English system. We are going to start with the metric system. So the first one that we're going to do is height. So in the metric system, we use meters and feet. There are 3.28 feet in 1 meter. The second one that we're going to do is weight. In the metric system, we use pounds and kilograms. There are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. The third one that we're going to do is cooking. In the metric system, we use pounds, kilograms, ounces, and grams. There are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram, and there are 28.3 grams in 1 ounce. The fourth one that we're going to do is distance. So in the metric system, we use kilometers and meters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Now the final one that we're going to do is temperature. In the metric system, we use Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point. 37 degrees Celsius is normal body temperature. And the final one, 100 degrees Celsius, is the boiling point. Now we're in the English system. We're back again and we're starting with height. In the English system, they use inches or feet. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. Now we are weight. In the English side, they use ounces and pounds. 16 ounces is 1 pound. Now we're at cooking. In the English system, they use teaspoons and millimeters. 1 teaspoon is 15 millimeters. Now we are going for distance. In the English system, they use miles and kilometers. 0.62 miles is 1 kilometer. Now we are at temperature, our last one. In the English system, they use Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the freezing point. 212 degrees Fahrenheit is the boiling point. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is your normal body temperature. So now we're gonna go for questions. So we're gonna be at the metric system height. Here's the question. 3 meters equals something feet. Here's the practice if you need. Here are the answers. 9.84, 9.65, 3.32. It's your choice. You can guess. The answer is 9.84. A. Now here is the practice. So here is how you're going to do the practice. I cannot do multiplication because it's a little hard for you. So we're going to stick with pluses. So 8, 16, 24. So you're going to put a 4 here. And then you're going to put a 2 on top of the tens. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I put an 8 here. Now, 3, 6, 9. So I put a 9. There. So that's why it's 9.84. Time to do weight. Weight time. The question is 5 kilograms equals something pounds. Oops, I erased it. Here's the practice if you need. Now here are the answers. A, 20.0. B, 3.04. Or C, 11.0. It's your choice. You can pick. The answer is C, 11.0. Now I'm going to show you why. So here I am near the practice. Yes. So here it goes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I put a 0 and a 1 on top. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1 equals 11. You see? Time for cooking. So now we are at cooking. So there are two questions. We're going to start with the first one. 3 kilograms equals something pounds. Here's the practice. Here are the answers. A, 6.7. B, 6.8. C, 6.6. Don't mind these answers from below. Just answer this question from these answers, not these answers. The answer is C, 6.6. Now I'm going to show you why in the practice. So here I am with this practice, not the bottom one. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So I put a 6 here. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So I put a 6. You see? Now I'm going to move on to the second question. So now for the second question. Here it is. 2 ounces equals something grams. Here's a practice if you need. Now here are the answers. Don't mind about this answer. We are talking about this answer. A, 56.3. B, 56.6. C, 56.9. It's your choice. You can pick. The answer is B, 56.6. Now I'm going to show you the answer and why. So here I am. Here the practice that you're going to do. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I'm going to put a 6 right here. Whoa. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So I put a 6 and a 1 on top. 2 plus 2 and the 1 on top equals 5. So I put a 5 right here. You see? Now our last one, distance. I cannot do temperature because temperature is really tough for you guys. It has like division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. Now we are at our last one, distance. Now we can go on to the English system. But first we need to do distance first. Here is the question. 5 kilometers equals something meters. Here's the practice if you need. Here are the answers. A, 500 or 5,000, I mean. B, 9,000. C, 2,000. Guess. And this one is easy. The answer is A, 5,000. So now we are at the English system. So here's the question. We are starting at height. 96 inches equals something feet. Here is the practice if you need. Here are the answers. A, 8. B, 10. Or C, 6. You can guess. The answer is A, 8. Now I'm gonna go to the practice and you'll see why. So here I am near the practice. So think of the 12 times table. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. So that's why there are 12 eights. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I add a 6. And then I add a 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I put a 9. You see? Now for weight. Now we're at weight. Here's the question. 4 pounds equals something ounces. Here's the practice if you need. Here are the answers. A, 64. B, 54. Or C, 74. You can choose. The answer is A, 64. I'm gonna go to the practice. I'll show you why. Here I am at the practice. So 6, 12, 18, 24. So I put a 4 and I put a 2 on top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put a 6. So that's why it is 64. Now we're gonna go for cooking. Cooking time! Here is the question. 3 tablespoons equals something millimeters. Here is the practice if you need, but here are the answers. A, 1,000. B, 65. Or C, 45. The answer is C, 45. Now I'll go to the practice and see why. So here I am to explain why. 5, 10, 15. So I put 5 and then add a 1 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I add number 4. That's why it's 45. Now for distance. So now we are at our last one, distance, in the English system. Here's the question. 3 kilometers equals something miles. Here's the practice if you need, but here are the answers. A, 1.82. B, 1.86. C, 1.80. The answer is B, 1.86. Now I'm going to show you why. So here I am for the practice and why. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 6, 12, 18, so I put an 8 and a 1 on top. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0, but I have a 1, so I add a 1 right here. See? Bye! Hope you like my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And you could find ways and learn so you can learn the multiplication way.